I'm a soldier of the Empire.
CT-9904, report to Vice Admiral Rampart's office immediately.
CT-9904.
Crosshair.
All that time. Left for dead, and yet you still came back. Why?
Word is, the rest of Clone Force 99 went rogue after Order 66 came through.
Surprised?
Not really. Your squad was different by design. You offered us a chance, Crosshair. This is yours.
I made my decision.
The Empire seeks to establish peace and order throughout the galaxy.
Now execute her!
So much for peace.
You know what makes us different from battle droids? We make our own decisions, our own choices. We have to live with them too.
Report CC-1226.
Why not Commander Cody?
Cody?
CC-2224.
Yes. It appears he has gone AWOL. Problem?
No, sir.
Where are all the regs?
When did you start caring about them?
The name's Mayday.
Crosshair.
Welcome to the Outpost. What unit were you with?
It doesn't matter.
Humor me. I could use the distraction.
Clone Force 99.
What happened to them?
They're gone.
I know it's not your fault. You can't help it.
After all the clans have done, all we've sacrificed, we're good soldiers. We followed orders. And for what?
All those missions together, and you threw it away.
We made a choice. So did you.
Crosshair has always been severe and unyielding. It is his nature. You cannot change that. He cannot change that.
Go. I won't make it.
He is expendable. As are you.
Lieutenant.
We have not always agreed with Crosshair, but he is still our brother. We do not leave our own behind.